exploding. Thanks so much for joining us. Stay with us.
I got myself a water bottle. Now I'm ready. Thomas, can I get a sip of that water? Percy, don't get mad, but it's vinegar. What? It's vinegar. Thomas, you drink too much water. You might get a stomach ache. Percy, I'm not a human. Okay. Seriously, what's Percy talking about? That's pretty. Hey, Thomas, are you okay? Yeah, James, I just got the hiccups. You need to scare him away. Okay, I'm scare him away. Okay. Yeah! James, you did it. They're gone.